I think we have a real problem when you have a government that's breaking its own laws. I think that
Yes.
has to be a measure. And the sad day for me was when I think it was the Supreme Court or one of the high courts that said, nah, the New Zealand government was not in breach of the Bill of Rights. And that's where I think there's a problem when you look at America and the Constitution you have and how the people can use the Constitution to protect itself from the Constitution. The Second Amendment I'm talking about. And I think in New Zealand somehow the government felt that they could capitalize on the New Zealand culture, which I find very compliant, similar to the Japanese culture. It's not actually very Western in terms of how Americans see freedom, and they just went for it and just grabbed as much as they could, and the resistance was very minimal in many ways, and that's even I don't see much coming out of this whole COVID inquiry that's happening right now. It's very soft, compared to putting people in prison and really putting the marker down on how we want to make sure that we want to protect the people from the government, right? And the whole COVID-19 inquiry that we're seeing now is like the government is just trying to work its way through to make sure they protect themselves first, the trust in government first, not so much the people.